What's the meaning of bored? Bored. Bored.
Bored. Bored. The word bored typically refers to a state of feeling uninterested or lacking in excitement. When someone is bored, they may feel as though they have nothing to do or that their current activity is not engaging enough. This can result in feelings of restlessness, dissatisfaction, or ennui. Physically, boredom may be characterized by lethargy, yawning, or fidgeting. Mentally, boredom can lead to negative thoughts and emotions, such as frustration or irritability. In order to combat boredom, individuals may seek out new experiences, find ways to make current activities more engaging, or simply take a break and relax.